In this video, let's talk about how to fix WhatsApp last seen not updating. So if you're having issues with the last seen for whenever you are online, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over to settings and make sure that these settings are correct. So once you're inside of these settings of WhatsApp, simply head over to privacy, and right here you should be able to see the option called a last seen online. So if you want to show everybody that you're online or want to show other people your last seen, make sure that it is set to everyone, and also who can see you online must be set to everyone if you want to show other people that you're online as well. So make sure you correct your settings first of all. But however, if this is not the case with you, then what you'll also need to ensure is that the date and time settings within your device is correct. So if it is not correct within your device, make sure you correct it first of all and set it to automatic, and as soon as you do that, your issue should be fixed. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it, the last thing that you can try out is just reinstall the application of WhatsApp onto the device, and make sure also that you reboot your device or restart your device. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp last seen not updating. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.